We can do that.
Show us what we got. Look at that. Do you want to explain?
Oh, wait,
Yeah, go on. Well, that works. Look at that. So do you want to, let's keep moving.
okay.
That works pretty well. Actually.
First vlog. You look so done. Hello YouTube. Let's go and light some fireworks and we're hard, sorry.
We got our lighting guy here. Oh, I can't see anything.
Oh yeah, it's so dark down there. Jeez.
Do you want to say?
I think it sticks of garlic bread down there. That fireworks session power one didn't quite work out there.
No, so it's scared of the dark.
Yeah, the dark is quite scary down the alley. So fireworks, take 2, action. And then that's where it cuts Joe, and then you go to like when we're walking, it's like do.
I am.
Good for range.
Joe's better. Go.
Oh, look at that.
Joe's better.
Mine's definitely better.
Yours is good for range.
Oh, you know what else is good for range?
My penis.
You can't see anything.
Trying to get it first.
Alright.
Back to the old one.
And I want to light it.
And we need to read the
I
instructions.
can't see
We
anything.
need to read the instructions because we don't actually know what we're doing.
6-shot Roman candle. It's just
Oh, this is a Roman candle.
for outdoor use only. Avoid overheating or
Right
other
there.
non-flammable material. Standing sideways, light fuse.
You could just hold it.
Can't just hold it.
Yeah, I think so. Alright, where are we meant to stand?
You just stand away.
Alright,
Yeah.
I can't see.
I'm going back.
Together, she says let's make this open. Relationships are better when you leave out the hoping. Wish I could see.
How many was that?
Let's follow them.
No, how many was in the... It's 6, isn't
Make
it?
sure it's finished. Make sure it's finished.
I'm not holding anything.
No, even mine.
That's not happening.
We can be sensible.
Yeah, knowing me, it wouldn't go well. What is going on?
Together, she says let's make this open. Relationships are better when you leave out the hoping. Wish I could see.
We haven't actually got any water or anything to put it out.
The white spirit.
Yeah. Maybe stand a bit further back, I'd say.
Oh, Christ. Oh, it's alright, wasn't it? You're facing it towards... Watch out!
Oh shit!
No, what?
Whoa!
Shit!
What I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Last semester's over, parents in Minnesota, Chicago's waiting for.
And it's gone.
Set the rest of this box on fire.
Yeah, but don't put any fuel.
I think we should put fuel on it because it takes so long to burn through all the
No,
paper.
because we can't put it out if they've got fuel in it.
What was what?
There's too much water in it.
Let's get some kerosene.
What?
I swear it's kerosene, isn't it?
White spirit.
Okay, then get that then. Why?
Why?
Oh, it's cold. Christ!
Put that on.
You actually better... Okay. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh, God.
What are you doing? You're on the ground.
Give us the light.
Oh, you're so complicated.
Not yet, Jay, not yet, Jay, not yet.
So it goes... Is it on fire?
Is it on fire?
Yeah, it's on
Put it
fire.
in.
It's on fire.
Shit!
Oh, shit.
It's out!
Nah.
Fuck! Yeah, and then put the box down. Put it in there, put it in there.
Is it gonna set? It better set some others off.
But it's not, I bet it's like half.
Oh, it's on fire.
It's on fire!
I don't think it's done.
I think it's over, but it's gonna burn, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's something going to happen.
It's nice, isn't it? I don't know why the fireworks aren't lighting. Oh, there we go, one's going off. Is it? I'm kind of scared.
What was that?
Because we want the rest of them to go off. There you go.
Oh.
There we go, we'll get into it now.
Shit's facing towards us.
Is it? And that's gone.
Show your fingers feel like they're about to drop off.
Oh, Christ!
Show the ground, so you said.
When we get together, she says let's make this open. Relationships are better when you leave out the hoping. Wish I could simply just tell her whatever we had is broken, but it always ends the same. You say we had it all. that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside, outside is no feelings, baby. And when we get together, she says let's make this open. Relationships are better when you leave out the hoping. Wish I could simply just tell her whatever we had is broken. But it always ends the same. You said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside, outside is no feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. She says let's make this open. Relationships are better when you leave out the hoping. Wish I could simply just tell her whatever we had is broken. But it always ends the same.
Oh, I only if you would have started then.
Look at that.
Oh, I want to throw one, but I'll throw it when it starts going.
No, I said
I'm going to throw
Do
it.
it now. Now.
Now. Or not.
Shit.
What's that?
That's it. That's the light.
Yeah, but it's like a fire now.
Why is it still going?